Kunesh.
Thank you again, Mr. Chair. I have before you Senate File 37, which proposes an amendment to the Minnesota Constitution that states equality under the law shall not be abridged or denied by the state and its political subdivisions on account of race, color, creed, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity or expression, age, disability, ancestry, or natural origin. Members, without this ERA statement in our Constitution, we recognize that historically and regularly women as well as men have had to fight long, expensive, and difficult legal battles in an effort to prove their rights are equal to those of other sex or gender. Every single one of us, no matter where we live in Minnesota, has the right to live free from violence and discrimination, to enjoy the highest attainable standard of physical and mental health, to be educated, to practice the religion of our choice, to love and marry who we choose, to own property, to vote, and to work in a profession of choice while earning equal wages with those in the same position. 80% of the people in the United States think that men and women are guaranteed equal rights in the U.S. and the Minnesota Constitution, but they're wrong. Members, I offer that this one sentence would make all the difference to ensure that all Minnesotans are guaranteed protections under the Minnesota Constitution. This bill, when passed, does not automatically add this statement into our Constitution. I want you to know that. But it puts the question to the voters of Minnesota. If Senate File 37 passes, when it passes, it will allow Minnesotans to decide if they want this statement of equality to be codified, putting an unquestionable protection for women and other marginalized gender directly into the Minnesota Constitution. According to a 2016 survey commissioned by the ERA Coalition, a whopping 94% of people in the United States would support an amendment enshrining gender equality into the Constitution. When the Equal Rights Amendment was passed by Congress in 1972, it was a culmination of a fight that had already lasted 4 decades, and obviously it is far from over. So this formal protection under the law will guarantee gender equality, which is not an anomaly. After learning about gender equality laws in other countries, 81% of the voters said they would support the ERA. And so members, with that, I ask for your full support in moving this constitutional amendment proposition forward. Thank you.